All right, so your words this week have the short A and the long A sound. So let's go over our vowels and their sounds. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And their sounds, we'll start with the short sounds, A, E, I, Ah, and And I forgot to mention, sometimes Y can be a vowel, and you'll see that today. Now, the long sounds are A, E, I, O, and U. Notice they really just say their name. So you have one group of words that have the short A sound, and all of those words are closed syllables. You have three groups of words that all have the long A sounds, but make it in different ways. You have the magic E syllable, and then vowel team syllables, which is the AY and the AI. So what is a syllable? A syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. A closed syllable has one vowel and it ends with a consonant. The vowel says its sound, its short sound, like at, dig, jump, shot, and red. Your closed syllable words are past and grasp. Notice how the consonants close in the vowel. So the A says its sound, its short sound, ah. Past, grasp. Now, a vowel team, this is where you have two or more letters working together to make one vowel sound, like rain, need, snow, boat, light, and play. Your vowel team syllables, and you have two different types, and you have AY and AI. For the AY words, it's stay, gray, and say. For the AI words, it's brain and faith. Stay, gray, say, brain, faith. The magic E syllable. So this is where you have two vowels, but it's in this order. One vowel followed by one consonant and a silent E. So the E jumps back, making the vowel say its name, like cake, time, and hope. Your words this week, we have shake. Notice the A, and then you have the consonant, and then the silent E. And came, and make. So there you have it. You have the short A closed syllables, and then three different ways to make the long A sound with vowel teams and the magic E syllable.